When thinking about the title of this video, it was suggested to me that the title should be Things That an Insurance Adjuster Will Not Tell You After a Car Wreck. And I responded back, well, it might be easier for me to tell you what they will tell you because they're not going to tell you anything helpful, right? What you have to remember is that insurance companies are not charitable organizations. They are not in the business of helping you. Insurance companies are in the business to make money. And they employ people who further those interests. And I don't have a problem with that. You shouldn't either if you're a red-blooded American, right? So they're in business to make money, which is yay, applaud, right? However, as a person who has rights, you should know that their interest to make money, which we don't have a problem with, sometimes are in contradiction to your rights. And that happens when you're involved in anything that requires you to potentially get money from their business organization. Okay? Their employees are trained to keep the money. We get the money. Okay? So we have divergent interest. The person on the phone with you, the insurance adjuster, is not there to say, okay, let me look at the situation and treat you fairly in regards to your injury. They are there to treat you unfairly in regards to your injury. They are going to tell you things like, you need to make a decision, you're not going to get any more money, lawyers are expensive, this is not worth having a lawyer involved, it's going to delay the car claim, it's going to, all these horrible things are going to happen to you if you get a lawyer, if you think about a lawyer, if you go back to the doctor, all these kind of things. The thing they love to tell people in Florida is, oh, your medical bills are going to be paid by your car insurance, and there's only 20% that we're responsible for anyway, so let's just go ahead and pay you that 20%. Well, they would be correct if your injuries were known, if you knew for a fact that you didn't have over $10,000 worth of injuries, because one test that we typically car wreck patients and clients get is around $3,000 by itself. It's called an MRI, right? So they don't, the ER visit's $3,000, the ambulance ride's $1,000. By the time you get to the first doctor, you've spent half of the $10,000 anyway. So the best thing to understand in communicating with insurance adjusters is they're a business. And their business is making money. And you are trying to get money from them, potentially. So you need to understand that they are not obligated to tell you anything that helps you. They're not obligated to tell you anything. They have no ethical book of ethics, so to speak. There's no book of ethics for insurance adjusters. There's no bar association or there's a department of insurance, but there's nothing that prevents these people every day, day in and day out, to tell you things that are not exactly 100% accurate, because they don't have to. And they're in the business of keeping money, not giving it. All right? Keep that in mind when you're talking to the insurance agents. I would advise you not to talk to an insurance company about a car wreck injury. I would advise you to talk to a lawyer first. If you have a car wreck question and you need to talk to a lawyer, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.